Hi guys, I'm back with another question on Introduction to Biology, grade 10. And this time is question 6, and A says, define the term parasitology. B, state 5 applications of biology in everyday's life, 5 marks. C, explain how biology is applied in each of the following areas. 1 is agriculture, 2 is medicine, and 3 is environmental conservation. So you can pause the video and attempt the question first. Let's go to the answers. Question 6. A was define the term parasitology, and the correct answer is the scientific study of parasites and relationship with their hosts. B, state 5 application of biology in everyday's life. 1 was agriculture for crop and animal production. 2 in medicine for disease treatment and prevention. And then we have food processing and preservation, e.g. using microorganisms. Then we have in environmental conservation and waste management. We have also in forensic science for crime investigation. Question C, explain how biology is applied in each of the following areas. 1, agriculture. That's through selective breeding of high-yield crops and animals and development of biological pest control. 2, medicine, by understanding human anatomy and physiology to develop treatment, drug, and surgical techniques. Then we have the third one, which was environmental conservation, by studying ecosystems to understand how to protect endangered species and manage natural resources sustainability. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.